We have this little parcel today. I was a bit confused as to what it was. I think I know what's going on. It feels like the box inside has opened up and the item has come out of the box. So starters were just in a plastic bag, so it's not very safe for whatever might be in it. And then it coming out of the box, well, it could now be damaged. So let's open her up and have a look. As I suspected, it's come out of the box. It's heavy. Now I got myself this. It's apparently a brand name one because I bought some of these off of that Temu place, and I'm pretty certain that they're rubbish. And if you have a look around, you do see some people posting and opening them up and showing that they are actually garbage and not fast chargers. They're just falsely stamped and whatever. So I've got a feeling that these are those, because sometimes they work fine, sometimes they barely trickle any kind of charge out and your device just drains and doesn't charge. So, and at the moment this is actually quite hot. So they work, but you know, I use my devices a lot, so I need that power there, and I've generally got a couple of items plugged in, which is what this is meant to allow. And I don't know if it's this or my cords. So I just thought, forget it. I'll just maybe buy something a bit better. I can't remember what this was. It was a 20 watts or 30 watts. I really don't remember. Yeah, they're okay, but if you need lots of power, they're not okay. Or they are, I don't know. Anyway, I got this one. This was 100 watt. I didn't see the need to go any more than this, because these are ones that you start using on laptops and that, so this definitely has more than enough power to power a couple tablets and a phone and whatever. And it was also price wise, it was, I can't remember now, it's either $40 or $60 or something. But for the price and what it was compared to all the others, it was actually the cheaper and best option. So I thought, fine, I'll spend that extra bit of money and I'll just get this. And from the feels of things, and it has happened before, it's heavy. So unless it's full of metal, I'd say this is a pretty good product. Like, it's got, definitely has some weight in it. Again, there's the box. It's whatever that brand is. Yeah. USB output. Ooh. Does that mean I need to be careful where I plug things into? Because that has a lot of voltages there. 15 volts, 20 volts. I'm gonna blow up my phone. What's that? USB. They all say that. It's 15, 12 volts. Maybe it's just like a super smart thing so it doesn't blow up my phone. Where's the camera? There. It's got USB-C, USB 2 and USB-A. There's that side. Again, it's quite heavy. So I'd want to do its job, I suppose. Don't know if you can read that. I think you can. $15 USB-A. So they're all from 4 to 12, 20 volts. So I suppose that's good. But yes, I'm a bit paranoid I'm going to blow up my phone. It being out of the box, remember how it wasn't in the box? Don't really see any damage. Looks okay. Teeny tiny user manual. Obviously I'm yet to read it. I'm thinking maybe I should. I hope I can charge my phone with this. That's why I got it. Only for my phone. Well, let's give it a try. Comes with its own USB-C cord. Or lightning adapter, I should say. Is it? No. What is it? Which one's lightning? Is the lightning... Lightning's like the Apple one. I don't know. I think I'm happy I bought this. It feels good. And this is like a soft silicone thing. Well, let's try it out. Oh, I'm using my phone to record. Do I trust it and stick it in my phone? Wait. What do you reckon? I am a little bit paranoid here. 20 volts, that'll definitely fry my battery. That's 100. Oh, USB-C 1 goes up to 100 watts. USB-C 2 does 65 watts. And USB-A does 30 watts. I think, oh look, we'll try it on a tablet first, I think. And we'll start on the USB-C 2. I have this dodgy tablet. Yes, it's dodgy, it's broken. I don't plan on upgrading though for maybe another 5-6 weeks, so it is what it is. Fingers crossed. think this is a super dodgy tablet. I think I need to try the other one. This one's dodgy. Like a lot. This one's broken even more. But let's see, it's already warm because it's been sitting on charge this whole time. But that's at 66%. Nothing. Oh, there it is. Is it charging? Well, it's charging. I don't know what it's doing though. I suppose I should have downloaded one of those charge. You get apps that check the charge rate and stuff like that. I don't know. Anyway, it's charging and it hasn't started sizzling yet. If it was really dumping 20 volts into it, it would have probably just exploded on the spot, really. So hopefully the charger knows what it's doing. I'm going to give it a thumbs up because it does feel good. The cord feels good. If I have any problems with it, I will put it in the comments, I'm sure, and or I'll probably make another recording. But so far, I'm quite happy with this. And I'm going to recommend it as of now. So if you're considering buying it, buy it. Definitely feels like it's quality. The weight's there to say it's full of stuff on the inside. It's not, I don't know. There's probably nothing wrong with these. Anyway. Well, actually, it's a good way to test it. Yeah, it's already going up in charge. It says 67% now. I'll try the USB on my phone because it has little LED display on the cord, and that's 7.6, so 6.2, 5.9, what's that, 6.1, 6.2, 6. No, it seems to be doing all right. Because this cord on the other charge has been dropping down to like 1 watt. But this is a 2 meter cord as well, so there could have been a lot of factors playing into it. 5.8, 5.9, 6. Yeah, thumbs up. Buy or I suppose buy anything of that brand.